Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making chicken egg wrap. Oil 2 tablespoons, boneless chicken 150 grams, salt as per taste, garlic powder 1 tablespoon, red chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Fry chicken until changes color. Chopped onion 1 cup. Saute for 5 minutes on medium heat. Eggs 4. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Tomato chopped 1 cup. Mayonnaise 1 tablespoon. Ketchup 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Tortilla wrap. Chicken and egg stuffing. Cheese on top. Grill the wrap. Butter murku. Orange. Butter cookies. Egg chicken wrap. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, you will get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.